Hey guys, how's it going? In today's video, we're going to be talking about how the market rallied today and how good the market was. Could it be because, I guess I'll get into the news, but yeah. So, stocks surged on Wednesday after investors took comments by the Federal Reserve Chairman, Jerome H. Powell, to mean that the central bank could be closer than expected to end its current push to lift interest rates. So they could be ending the increase in interest rates and maybe stabilizing it at a certain price and not keep increasing it. So that was really good news, and because of that, the entire market rallied today. Apple, again, I'm still kicking myself for this. I sold out of Apple because I was thinking there was going to be more bad news coming, and then the stock was going to crash down to. I was thinking the stock was going down to 160. That was what was on my mind. I should have been a more long-term hold on this. I should have been like, oh, if Apple drops to 160, I'll just buy some more. But no, I had the mentality of, maybe I can just sell and then try to flip it. Apple is a safe company. I should have realized this. I should have just hold on to my shares. I would have been super happy right now. I would have been up like, I think at least like $400, $400 US. Not bad, but no, I sold it and I'm kind of kicking myself. I should have hold on to Apple stock. I'm a little pissed off about that. But yes, Apple rallied today. I think Apple will continue to rally. I'm making a bold prediction, but I think we will see $200 again from Apple. I think Apple is moving to that direction of $200. This is my bold prediction. I'm still going to watch it. I'm still going to be careful, and I still think there's better investments out there than Apple. But, if Apple drops back down to 175, I may think about picking it up, depending on what kind of news is in the market, I guess. Well, even then, like, if it drops to 175, I might pick up some shares again. And then if it drops even lower because of some really bad news, then I will buy more. But I'm thinking that this stock is going all the way to $200. And if it does go to $200, and if I do somehow manage to get my margin account, I'm totally going to short the stock if it hits $200, because I don't believe I do believe people I do believe if this stock hits $200, people are gonna take profit, and this stock is gonna drop back down to 180. Just my opinion. Because near the end of the year, people like to take profit, so then they can, do the taxes and everything. So I do believe that if we do have a Christmas rally, this stock's going to $200, but once it hits $200, it's going to drop back down to 180. Just my opinion. I'm not 100% sure on this stuff. Nvidia, also rallied today pretty nicely, but this is an hour before the market officially closes. Nvidia is down 7 cents. I do like Nvidia. I could have made a nice profit if I bought it at 145 and then sold it off at 160. I was thinking of buying Nvidia at 145. I thought it was a pretty decent price at that price, but I was a little bit worried about the market, so I kind of stayed away from it. New age beverages. Okay, now let's actually start talking about the stock that I own. Had a nice rally today. It may continue to rally, but since it's already rallied so much, I'm thinking it's gonna have a pullback tomorrow to like around $4. So that's my opinion. Why did new age beverages rally today? Because of this piece of news, the Farm Bill. Well, somebody messaged me telling me that somebody said that this is probably the reason why new age beverages had such a nice climb today, is because this Farm Bill got passed. Well, no, not passed, but there was whispers of possibly passing the Farm Bill very, very soon, and this rallied. What the hell? This rallied the stock up a little bit. I will leave an article in the link below for this if you guys want to read it. I'm not going to really read it out loud because you guys can do that yourself. I will put it out if I forget, but I might not forget, but if I do forget, please remind me to link put the link below for this article. I'm sure you can probably find it. Just go Farm Bill deal and maybe something will pop up. But yeah, so after hours, Canopy Growth is down 18 cents. I'm still thinking that this rally has not ended yet. I think that this is just the beginning. I do believe that this stocks are going to be heading back, and we might be seeing a little bit of a Christmas rally. I'm really hoping for that. And then I think we're going to sell off. So I do believe we're heading back to a Christmas rally. I'm really excited for that. But I could be totally wrong. Bad news can hit the fans. So we'll see what happens. We'll see what happens in the coming weeks, I guess. So Aurora Cannabis, down 6 cents after hours, not too bad. Nice rally today. Nothing to complain about. I've made back a lot of lost money, so I'm happy that Aurora rally. Afria also rallied today. I made after hours. Not really trading after hours very much. It's on neutral right now, but like I believe Afria is a big player. I underestimated them. I do believe that management's very smart now that I've done more research on Afria. I mean, yeah, granted they have a greenhouse, but at the end of the day, I believe that they will be able to sell their products. They will be able to be a big player in Canada, and they will be a decent player internationally. At least this is just what I believe. I don't think Afria's story is going to end yet. So I should have bought. I mean, I really wish I bought some when it hit like $7.68. Well, Canadian side would be like $10 or something on the low $10. I really did wish I bought some, but I guess I didn't. I bought Aurora instead. Should have bought some Afria too. I was just worried about depleting my cash too much. That's why I didn't buy any Afria, and I was busy buying U.S. companies. Tilray, after hours, down a little bit, but if the Farm Bill actually does pass, I think the stock will rally to like 130. I think the stock is just getting ready for that 20% pop, because I believe that's coming. I mean, I could be wrong, and it could decline all the way back down to 90, like below $100. I don't think so, but if it does, I'm definitely gonna be buying. I do own some shares of this. I think I own, let me think about it, 85 shares. I'm at a loss, but I'm not really worried because I do believe in this company. Sorry. I don't believe in this company in the long term. I believe in the rich people backing this company in the long term. I do believe that the rich people all have big plans for Tilray. They're making their stock very valuable. Having a valuable stock could really be beneficial. They could easily come in when the United States become fairly legal. They can come in and start purchasing out companies that are already established in the United States and grow in the United States and Canada and worldwide, because they are a worldwide company, and the fact that they have rich investors and rich connections to the United States they can easily purchase out a company. A smaller company would easily agree to be part of Tilray because literally the stock is extremely valuable, 10.33 billion US dollars. CGC is about $1.5 billion more than them, but they were at one point very close to Canopy Growth market cap. I do believe we will see a big nice pop in Tilray eventually. It just might take some time. So 1993 Industries report Q4 sales of $3.9 million. I think there was a little bit of information leaked on this because near the end of the day, the stock, like near the very, I guess 40 minutes, the stock rallied quite a bit. So there could be some insider information leaked a little bit ahead of time. That's why the stock rose so much. But what I think about this, I mean, $3.9 million, not that impressive. The gross margin is not bad. They are a growing company. They have 41 total asset increase to 41 million. The company is worth, I don't even know. There's not enough information on TGIF. Yeah, but I have no idea what the market cap is. I mean, I could go onto Sedar and find out how many shares the company have, but I'm not a shareholder. At the end of the day, I don't care. I just wanted to report this because I saw this on New Cannabis Ventures, and I looked at TGIF, and I saw TGIF had a nice massive run at the end of the day, so there could be some information leak. Tomorrow the stock could tank back. I don't know. The volume on it was really nice today too, so there's real people buying maybe. I'm not too sure. It could be bots, but could be real people. I have no idea. You know what also rallied today? Yes, that's right. Bitcoin. Bitcoin had a nice rally today. Because why? Because the stock market rallied today. So Bitcoin rallied today. You know, Bitcoin is, I hate to say it, is somewhat attached to the stock market. So, you know, if the stock market rallies, the Bitcoin will rally too. I do have a stock for you guys if you're interested in, you know, kind of investing into, instead of investing into Bitcoin, you could invest into a company called Hut. I'm not advising anyone to, but it's very well connected to Bitcoin. They basically mine Bitcoin and they have like a bunch of Bitcoin stored up. So you could read the financials, but in the financial, it clearly states that they have Bitcoins in the company as assets. So if Bitcoin rallies, this stock will rally. If Bitcoin declines, this stock will decline. I mean, you could potentially look at, you know, a 50% return if Bitcoin does rally back to $600, $6,000. It could. I still believe Bitcoin has a future, in my opinion. So you could make a small play on this. I don't know. I'm not a financial advisor. This is only something that, you know, through my experience I've invested into. Or you could invest into Hive, but Hive does not do Bitcoin. Hive is more like Ethereum, and you know, Hive rallied today too because Bitcoin rallied today. So Hive had a really nice run today. I could have made a nice 30% gain. So, you know, Bitcoin runs back, everything else runs back. I think tomorrow Hive is going to give back its gains because, I don't know, it's just, that's my feeling. After a big run up, usually a stock will give back its gain. But I was actually thinking of buying some Hive at 26 cents, but I didn't. Should've, could've, would've, but didn't. Oh well, whatever. Not a big deal to me. There's always other opportunities out there in the world. So if you think that, you know, there's no opportunity, if you think that opportunities don't come very often, I disagree. I believe that there's lots of opportunity out there. It just requires amount of time and work and like you need to put the work in order to find these nice stock plays. I mean, Hive is a gamble, but you know, when you're investing into super penny stocks, you're basically gambling. You're saying that, you know, I could make a lot of money, but I could lose a lot of money too. So just really be careful about investing into penny stocks. That's all I really have for an advice. I hope tomorrow is a nice rally again. That would be lovely. I would love that, but you know, at the end of the day, it doesn't really matter to me. Anyways, thanks. Because if it goes down, I have money to buy. If it goes up, I sell. Because I have money, stocks. I have stocks that will rally with the market, I believe. At least I believe. Anyways, thanks for watching. I hope you like this video. Subscribe for future updates and give me a thumbs up if you like this. See you later. Bye.